If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2019 Jeep Renegade Latitude in Bikini Metallic. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, gloss black exterior accents, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 43,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6959.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.